Hey YouTube, today I have the JBuds Pro by JLab. And just so you know, these are wireless earphones. It has 6 hours of battery life. 3 tip sizes. These are what the company called these Cushfins. A micro USB cable and a shirt clip for attaching the cable to. That's a 2-year warranty and satisfaction for 30 days. And the packaging is recyclable. So let's get started. And also it shows you all what it comes with. So let's get started. So I got the stickers, the clear stickers out, and I'm trying to get that out. Sorry for all the inconvenience because I can't get these out. So I may have to use something for this. But other than that, I'll see you in a little bit. So it appears that I have to break the packaging for this part. I'll try to get this out in the video. Oh, there you go. I just had to hold this. I don't know what this is. I think this is, oh yeah, this is the quick start guide. Right here. And when you take this off, you can have access to more stuff. Trying to get these. I'm trying to get the device out itself. But here's the device itself. Or just have to take it out. No, this is easy. So this is the device itself, but with tag on. And if you open the Ziploc bag, I had to open this Ziploc bag to access more stuff. So see you in a moment. So here we have the micro USB cable right here. I don't have much room for USBs. Like, you all know that orange cable. That's from my JBL speaker unboxing. So if you haven't seen it yet, please go to the YouTube channel page for my YouTube channel, and then click JBL speaker unboxing. Then you can see it. I think this is a little sticker. I think this is a little sticker thingy. And you can see the clip. So this is for your cable on the device itself. And the and these. And these, what does it say again? Catch fins. Yeah, these catch fins. They come in 2 different sizes. And the tips. And the tips of these. And these tips. So, if you want to change the size of your tips on the device itself, you can just change them whenever you like. So, let's just put this on the side. I may put this on, like my computer's, I don't know. But we're going to do a test with this. A test. Just like the last video I did. Another test. But instead of 2 tests, we're going to do 3 tests. Well, it's going to be sticking to 2 tests since I don't see an auxiliary cable anywhere. But hey, see you in the next test. So, before we do the first test, we need to set this up. So, we had to have the quick start manual, wherever it is. Oh, there it is. So, we had to use this quick start guide. I want to start opening it up. I can't do this in video. See you later after I open the quick start manual up. So we had to read the quick start manual guide. I have a phone here, which you really need to set this up. I just had to go back. So it says to turn on Bluetooth. It's already on. Hold the button on the speaker for 10 seconds. Where is it? Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I did it wrong. So let me try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So did I turn it on yet? Oh, and it says to connect to that device. So I'm just gonna click that. Okay, so these are our button functions. Drag forward, power on, power off, and there's more. And to charge it, okay, so this is just charging. You don't need to know this. Fitting. So this thing here is for fitting into your ear. And warm up your headphones. Burning, I don't know what this is. So you just set it up. So I think this is all I need to start it up. So see ya in the next test. So we're gonna do the first test, which is sound quality. So we're gonna test out how good the sound quality is on this thing, and it's just like the same as last time, but it's in 2 tests. But I'm in 1 test. So we're gonna play this song. So let's start. So those are how loud you can hear in the video, but if you have both of the speakers on, you can hear the full thing in perfect sound. So it's pretty high quality. So it's on to the next test. So I'm in voice memos. So I'll start recording, and then I'm gonna try recording my voice using the Bluetooth headset. Hello, hello. Let's see if it worked. In a little while. I'm back in voice memos, so let's see if this worked. And it didn't work. So the mic is no good on this one. Let's talk about this device. So I do recommend this device for listening to music and watching videos, but audio to yourself. What I do not recommend is for recording, because the recording sounds is so low quality. Recording so low quality. The sound is high quality, but low quality for recording. So I do not recommend this device for recording. But hey, it's what they got. So I'll see you in the next YouTube video. There I go. Please like and subscribe to the computer guy, and I hope you have a great day.